Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given a Saloni deposited 150 rupees per month in her bank account for 8 months. We need to find the maturity value of her deposit if the rate of interest is 8%. So deposited amount is given, which is 150 rupees. Let's say P is equals to 150 and N is equals to 8 months and rate of interest is 8%. First find the total amount she deposited in 8 months. Every month she used to deposit 150 rupees. So in 8 months it would be 150 times of 8. So which is 1200 rupees. So the total amount deposited in her bank account is 1200 rupees. Now find the rate of interest she got after 8 months. Interest equals to P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So substitute all the values and find the interest. P is equals to 150 and N is 8, N plus 1 is 9 divided by 24 into 8 by 100. So if you simplify this, 150, 8 times of 9 becomes 72 divided by 24 into 8 by 100. So 24 times of 3 is 72 and then multiply 150 times of 3, which is 450, times of 8 is 3600 divided by 100. So the total interest she got in 8 months is rupees 36. So the maturity value is the total amount deposited plus interest, which is 1200 plus 36. So the maturity value she will get after 8 months is 1236 rupees. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.